Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and I am here at the launch of Infinix, where Infinix has launched their new Infinix Note 5. It has been launched at a quite aggressive pricing. We'll see a quick look of this phone in this video. So guys, this is the all new Infinix Note 5. This is how it looks like. The looks are quite premium, you can say that, as it is a glass back and a unibody with nice curved edges and 2.5D curved glass. This is the glass back, a little fingerprints you can see here, but it's okay. And on this side there's the power button and the volume rocker, and here it's nothing. The SIM slot has been given on the right side itself. And talking about the SIM tray slot, the good thing about the SIM tray slot is that you get a dual and nano SIM setup as well as a dedicated micro SD card. And on the top there's nothing. On the bottom bar there is this charging port and the mouthpiece, 3.5 audio jack and the speaker grill. At the back there is just a single camera setup, which is a 12 megapixel camera with fingerprint sensor, Infinix logo, and of course this phone comes with Android One. So if you are a fan of Android One, you like clutter-free devices, like not too much of pre-installed and third-party apps, and a lot of other features of stock Android, pure Android. If you are like that, you can of course look up to this phone, because you get a lot of unlimited photo storage, as well as this phone is now introduced with Google Lens, which we'll talk about and I'll show you how it works. This is the first device with pure Android at this price range in the Indian market. Talking about the brightness of the screen, it's 500 nits. It's quite, the colors are vibrant and crisp. The screen size is a big 5.99 inch full HD plus full view display, but the aspect ratio here you can see it's 18:9, not 19:9, because there is no notch. If you're a notch fan, or you are now addicted to notch because of all the launches are with notch only, so you can see it's not here. Now on the top here it's the earpiece, then the front camera and the soft flash. Viewing angles are good. Going to about phone, this phone runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. It has a MediaTek Helio P23 processor, which Infinix is saying that the Antutu benchmark of the Helio P23 is more than the Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor, so that we will have to explore by using this device. The good thing about Infinix phones is, which I like personally, is if you want a very good battery life, you can surely look up to this device. It has a massive 4500 mAh of battery, which might run for 3 days of average usage, and at the same time you get quick charge and a big charger of 18 watt. So I don't think so battery will be an issue with this phone. In storage variant you get a 3 GB plus 32 GB as well as 4 GB plus 64 GB combinations, so you can buy according to your requirement. Coming to the camera part, so as I told you that the back camera is a single lens 12 megapixel camera, but the camera interface is AI based. So, and there'll be a lot of ASD, that means auto scene detection AI mode. Whenever the light condition changes, the phone will auto adjust according to it. You can click portrait pictures from the rear camera, and this was the Google Lens which I was talking about, that you have to just click a picture or just focus this lens on a product which you like. It might suggest you that from where you can buy this product. So this is a new feature introduced nowadays by Google. Talking about the front camera, it's a 16 megapixel front camera, and I think the selfie camera is better in this phone, because these days people are so addicted to selfies. So nowadays the megapixels are more, recently we have seen the megapixels are more in the front cameras. It's capturing a lot of detail here. And then you also get a bokeh mode in the selfie camera, so you can click good bokeh effect selfies as well. And all the other modes like normal, video. Here it's a pro mode as well, panorama, night and time lapse. Let's run through some of the pictures. I have just tried to click here. So this is it. Can you see the details captured are okay? Let's see this one. Yeah. So I'm liking the selfies better in this phone rather than the back camera shots. You can see a lot of the blur is really good. The colors are crisp, sharp and vibrant as well. So this is about the new Infinix Note 5. So this was a quick look of the new Infinix Note 5 here. So talking about the price, it starts from a price range of 9999 only. That means 10K, the 3GB plus 32GB variant, and the other variant is 4GB plus 64GB variant, which starts from 11,999. So this is a quite good pricing to beat a lot of other players in the market. But of course, we will miss out on the dual camera and the 19:9 aspect ratio. Sale starts from 31st of August, and this is a Flipkart exclusive product. This is it in this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.